Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat or the bank. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two mini drones that promise to take your aerial photography game to the next level. On the left, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and on the right, the IDEA Brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a turbulent ride. First up, the RADCLO mini drone. This baby comes with a 1080p HD camera that you can manually adjust up to 90 degrees. Perfect for those who want to capture every breathtaking moment from a bird's eye view. Reviewers have noted that, while the camera quality is decent for the price, it may not handle windy conditions well. On the other hand, the IDEA Brushless motor drone boasts a 4K camera with a Sony sensor. It's like having a Hollywood film crew in your backpack. Reviewers love the ultra-high definition shots, although some have mentioned issues with scratches on the camera lens. Overall, if camera quality is your top priority, the IDEA Brushless motor drone is the clear winner. Alright, let's talk moolah. The RADCLO mini drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $62. Reviewers appreciate the affordability, especially for beginners or as a fun family activity. On the other hand, the IDEA Brushless motor drone will set you back $89. While it's pricier, the 4K camera and brushless motors justify the cost according to most reviewers. So, if you're on a budget, the RADCLO mini drone is your go-to. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for higher quality, the IDEA Brushless motor drone is worth the investment. Battery life is next. The RADCLO mini drone comes with two 800 mAh batteries, giving you a total flight time of 22 minutes. Reviewers find it adequate for casual flying and fun family activities. On the flip side, the IDEA Brushless motor drone comes with two 1,200 mAh modular batteries, giving you 20 minutes of flight time. While slightly less, reviewers appreciate the stability and power provided by the brushless motors. Both drones offer a decent amount of flight time, but if you need those extra few minutes, the RADCLO mini drone edges out slightly. Now let's dive into the features. The RADCLO mini drone is packed with goodies like high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flip, and gesture control. Reviewers love the fun and versatile features, especially for beginners. Plus, it has an altitude hold function, making it super easy to control. The IDEA Brushless motor drone isn't slacking in the features department either. It comes with optical flow positioning, headless mode, and a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance function. Reviewers particularly appreciate the obstacle avoidance and the 3 speed modes, though some have noted issues with the feature's effectiveness. If you're looking for a feature-packed experience, both drones have their unique advantages. Overall, the RADCLO mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great option for beginners and family activities. However, it struggles in windy conditions. The IDEA Brushless motor drone is lauded for its 4K camera, advanced features, and stable flight, though it comes at a higher price point and has had some issues with durability and obstacle avoidance. So there you have it, folks. The RADCLO mini drone and the IDEA Brushless motor drone. Two amazing options to take your drone game sky high. Whether you're balling on a budget or ready to splurge a bit for that 4K goodness, there's a drone here for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic showdown. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'll be flying high with. Until next time, keep buying smart. And remember, product links are in the description.